Hello and welcome to this video in which I will be revealing what the title of this course says. I will be showing you the e-commerce store that I am running and in which I make sales of at least $1,000 every single day. So right now I am logged into my Shopify dashboard and you can see the sales of today already. In today's world, selling online is becoming easier and easier. Guys, you can use awesome platforms like Facebook to literally sell any product or service that you have. If there is demand for it, then I can guarantee you by following this course and using the strategies that I will be revealing in this course, you can make such sales. In fact, you can make greater sales than this. You can earn unlimited amount of money by selling your product or service online. To get started, all you require is an online store and a Facebook's ad account. Guys, irrespective of where you are at the moment, what your financial condition is, or whatever you are doing, you can get started selling products easily. And this can be in the form of a passive income, or you can even make this your full-time living. You can expand your store and make unlimited profits. In today's world, people are making millions and millions of dollars selling their products on their own personalized e-commerce stores. It's just very simple to create one these days, and you can do it in 15 minutes, even less than that. And there are various free and paid options available. Alright, so without any further ado, I will take you to the report section of my Shopify store. So as you can see, this is the report section of my Shopify store. And over here, I am covering the March month of sales. This e-commerce store that you are seeing in front of you wasn't started a long time ago. And I got serious with it in this month only, which is March. And it is 14th of March today. And as you can see, the results are clearly in front of you. So let's take a look at the first 3 days of the month. As you can see, on 1st of March, my sales were just $253 and I got 7 orders. Now, why did this happen? Well, basically, during this point of time, I was running test ads. If you do not know what test ads are, do not worry because I'm going to be making them clear in this course. So I was running test ads. By the way, as you can see in front of you, I just received a brand new order of 18.98 USD while recording this video. Anyways, so on 1st of March, I ran few test ads. And in these test ads, I got, basic results. I was just trying to figure out which ad of mine performs good. And even in my test ads, I was able to make sales of $253. So after running these test ads for about 24 to 48 hours, I started observing that a few of them are performing really, really good. So I went ahead and scaled the ones that were going good. And once I scaled, as you can see, the results just started progressing. So I went from $253 to making $752. Then it went on to make 948. Then consistently figures above 1,000. I was very close to touching $1,500 on Monday, which is March of 7th, and again pretty close to $1,500 on March 11th. And as you can see, guys, this is averaging to about $1,000 every single day. So I hope you are realizing the potential of owning an e-commerce store like this. And I am selling products in this store at the moment. But guys, you can replicate the strategy for anything you want. You can sell services if you are a consultant, digital marketer, football coach, anything. You can sell services as well online. Or you can sell products. You can sell digital products. You can sell physical products. Anything for which there is demand, you can sell using a store. And you can achieve results like this and even greater results by following the amazing tips and techniques that I will be showing you in this course. Here is a preview of my Facebook Ads Manager, which I use to run ads for all the campaigns that I have. Now note, the ad manager that you are seeing in front of you is not just for the store I showed you. I run various ad campaigns that are, related to different sort of niches. This is basically the ads manager that I use to create ad campaigns for that store as well. So, one thing that you might be wondering right now is, Rohan, you're spending around $500 every single day. And it is fine that, some people who are watching this video do not have a budget like that, especially when they are starting out. And the good thing about this selling online thing is that you do not need, yes, you do not need a huge budget like this, or a greater budget than this, in order to get started selling anything online. Basically, when you are starting out ads, you do not require a huge budget. You can get started with a very, very small budget. When I launch a new ad campaign, I basically spend $1 per ad set when I get started. So guys, this is the proof of the results I have achieved by creating an online store, setting up Facebook ads, and selling my product online. And guys, you can achieve similar results to this. In fact, I promise you, if you follow these strategies carefully, you can achieve greater results than this. So I really hope that you are motivated to launch your own ad campaigns and make a fortune online by selling. I'm so excited to teach you everything that I've learned so far. So are you ready to get started? If yes, then great. I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much for watching.